Mahigit isang buwan nang naghihintay ng tulong mula sa Overseas Workers Welfare Administration or OWA ang pamilya at mga kaibigan ng isang Pinay caregiver na pumanaw sa Calgary. Pero tila di malinaw kung gaano pa katagal ang paglabas ng pondo mula sa OWA. Kuya Vano reports.
Pinay caregiver Amelia Liaño died more than a month ago from lupus. Liaño was a member of OWA since she started working as an OFW in Hong Kong. She had to quit her full-time job in February this year when she got sick. Her health worsened this July when she was brought to the hospital, where she went into a coma, then died on July 31st. But Liaño's friends are getting disappointed at the Overseas Worker Welfare Association or OWA for the delay in sending her remains back to the Philippines.
Naghintay na lang kami na kasi dapat naka-renew siya ng uwaw ng pagbalik niya dito ng 2012. So dapat sabi doon, 'di ba, sila ang mag-ano ng repatriation niya. Hanggang ngayon wala pa, sabi ng asawa niya, balik sila sa OWA. Tapos iba-iba naman ang sagot. Sabi daw nagkamali daw yung mga paperworks. Kasi ang una daw wala daw napadala daw sa Pilipinas na walang official signatures. So binalik ulit dito. So, nagtaka kami kasi mag-isang buwan kalahati na siya dito. Wala pa ring nangyayari.
Liaño's friends remember her as a hardworking person, focused on bringing her husband and daughter to Canada as she recently filed her permanent residence application.
Dedicated siya sa trabaho niya. Tapos, mabait siya, mapagmahal sa pamilya. Yun na lang ang yung focus niya sa anak niya, lalo na makarating dito.
Raymond Kawaling, one of Liaño's closest friends, have been in constant communication with her family back home who have been distraught with the delay in sending her remains back. Kawaling says they have done everything at their end with what OWA told them, to no avail.
Lumapit kami sa Philippine Consulate ba yun, sa Vancouver. Ang sabi ng husband sa akin sa Pilipinas na member daw siya ng OWA, so they will take care for everything. Kasi yung plano sana namin, magkuhan kami fundraising and everything, right? We're really disappointed, right? Like, like if I put myself sa ganitong sitwasyon, of course, parang very disappointed. Ano ba talaga yung purpose nila, bakit ba't sabi nila sila yung magpadala lahat ito sa bangkay.
Balitang Canada contacted the Philippine Consulate in Vancouver about the matter. In an email, Consul General Neil Ferrer confirmed Liaño was a valid OWA member and that they are just waiting approval of the funding from OWA. He adds, the consulate is working closely with Polo Vancouver and the DFA in Manila to speed up the process of Liaño's repatriation. Liaño's friends say if OWA is going to have more delays, they will just push through with plans in raising funds to cover the cost in bringing her remains back home so that her family can finally lay her to rest. Kuya Vano, ABS-CBN News, Calgary.